I'm going to show you the top 5 ways you can improve your photography in the next 2 minutes. Number 5, every photo is all about storytelling, and every story has a hero and a villain. So you need to focus in on the hero and crop out the villain. This means identifying the main subject. Take a look at this postcard style photo of Niagara Falls. Now take a look at this close-up. I identified the hero, I cropped out the villains. Which one do you like better? Number 4, shoot the sideshow. This means not just going to photograph the main event, but look around for another event. Like the time I hiked up to the top of this mountain to shoot the city at sunset, but then I turned around behind me and saw the moon rising, and that turned out to be the better photo from the photo shoot. Or the time I was at the Eiffel Tower and I saw someone taking wedding photos. If you see someone taking wedding photos, you make sure you take photographs of that. That is shooting the sideshow. Number 3, find the frame. This means shooting through something or between something. You can shoot through a doorway or through a notch in the ice or a notch in the rock or even a cave. Shoot through things and it makes your photo much more interesting. Number 2, shoot and move. This is what the military teaches you. If you stay in the same spot, things are going to go bad for you. So get underneath things, get over top of things, or get behind things, and your photos will be much more appealing. Number 1, wait for the good light. Don't be taking your photos in the middle of the day if you have the opportunity to wait until that golden hour, soft, warm light that comes right around sunset. All of my best photos are taken during that type of lighting. So those are my top 5 tips for improving your photos in 2 minutes. Please hit the red subscribe button, leave a comment below if you have any other tips, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye! That was fast. I still have 2, 1, 0, bye!